In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a database in Hostinger. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step closely to ensure everything goes smoothly, especially if you're moving your website data. So let's dive right into it. First, to begin, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger dashboard where you manage your websites. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Websites. This area is the central hub from where you can control all the websites you're hosting with Hostinger. Now you need to click on Websites, which will bring up a list of all your sites. Find the specific website for which you want to import the database, and click on Manage. This will direct you to the management area of the selected site, giving you full access to various settings and back-end options related to that particular site. Now that you've accessed the management area, the next step involves navigating to the Databases section. In the panel, locate and click on the option labeled Databases. This is where you'll handle all tasks related to your databases, including importing, exporting, and managing them. Look for another option within the Databases section called PHP Admin. PHP Admin is a popular tool for managing MySQL databases because it provides a user-friendly interface. Once you see the PHP Admin option, click on it, and then proceed by clicking Enter PHP Admin. This action brings up the PHP Admin interface, where you'll be performing the actual import. Once you're inside PHP Admin, you'll find several options at the top of the screen. You want to direct your attention to the one labeled Import. Click on Import to commence the process. This section is designed to facilitate easy uploading of your database files onto the server. Look for the button that says Choose File, which is yet another crucial step in the process. When you click Choose File, a dialog box will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer system to select the database file you intend to upload. It's crucial to ensure that the file is in the correct format, typically a DOI's SQL file, as this is what PHP Admin expects for database imports. Finally, once you've selected your file, confirm your selection. PHP Admin will process the file and import the database into your hosting environment. You'll typically see a progress notification or confirmation message once it's successfully completed. By following these steps, you're effectively moving your database into Hostinger, ready to power your website. It's always a good practice to double-check everything, ensuring all the data has been imported correctly by accessing and verifying through your applications or scripts. And that wraps up our guide on importing a database to Hostinger. Keep these steps handy for future reference, and as always, happy hosting.